What's going on, everybody? We got some new stuff on the layout today. It might look the same, but they're different, very different, trust me. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the one outside of the box, and yeah, go get a good overview of it. So we got F40PH. Who's this by? If you can see that there, if it'll focus, that's his life light, but you can't see that. You probably see it now, but yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna go see how this one runs. So go ahead and take it over to the track and rail it. Alright. Get some throttle. Stopped back there. It's really dirty back here, and everything stops back here. So this only had a front coupler, so as you can see, there's no front coupler now. I put it back here, and I'm thinking I'm gonna take it the front coupler out of that F40 up there, and put it right there. So yeah. Let's go ahead and see if we can get some rolling stock with this thing. Track's dirty. Alright, so now that you guys got to see this little F40 right here, yeah, that one sounds like a two-stroke dirt bike. So, yeah, definitely something just like the good old, whoa, Conrail switcher up there. That one sounds like a two-stroke dirt bike. I'll try to put a clip up there, maybe if I can. But, yeah. Anyway, let's get on to the brand new one. I'm really excited for this one, honestly. I'm hoping it runs good. I got this for about 70 bucks. There was a bunch of other things that I wanted to get. Like, there was a AM7 there, which, if some of you don't know, I already have one. But the one I wanted was in Phase 3, but the dude wanted $245 for it. And I was not willing to spend that much money on a locomotive, even though that AM7 was already $225. But that's a lot of money for a locomotive. And I didn't want to spend all the cash that I had on me. I wanted to get a couple things. So yeah, I got two F40s. Smart decision to buy the same thing. So we'll go ahead and unbox this thing right here. Got some extra pieces right here. Oh, handrails. Okay, yeah. I meant to put these on. My favorite thing, handrails. This is a nice looking locomotive. Jeez. Alright, yeah. Dude wasn't lying when he said it was brand new. That's a steal for $70. Wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna go put these handrails on and I'll come back to you guys. Alright, we finally got this thing on the track. Let's just hope that cow catcher down there stays on. So yeah, we're gonna give you a full review of this right now. So yeah, it's way different than my other two F40s. Because this F40 has one on the back, a number on the back from what I mean. And then let me just go ahead and move this baggage car. That one's got a number on the back. So that's a lifelike. This is also a lifelike. But this is a Walther. So yeah, we're trying something new. So yeah, let's go ahead, See this thing run. Oop. Runs nice. Besides it's just from the dirty track is what it's doing. I gotta clean it up. This thing runs nice. I'm gonna try to see if we can get it hooked up to some Phase 3 amp plates here. Let's go. Everybody, hope you enjoyed this video with the 2 new locomotives. I'm hoping to get maybe a couple of other things to finish up my 1980s Amtrak fleet. I'm thinking it's going to be pretty good once I get it done. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Yamablue Hobbies out.